How to fix Valorant voice chat not working. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can fix Valorant voice chat not working. The first thing you want to do is check your in-game setting. For that, you want to head over to your settings, select audio and then select voice chat. You want to ensure that the voice chat is enabled. Next thing you want to do is make sure your microphone is selected as the input device. You can test it in the same settings menu. You also want to check that the voice chat volume is turned up. Now, the next thing you want to do is update your audio drivers. For this, on the search bar, you want to search for Device Manager. Now you want to expand the audio inputs and outputs. Now you want to right-click your microphone and then select Update Driver. Once the driver has been updated, your issue will be fixed. Next thing you want to do is open up your PC or laptop setting, then select Privacy. Now you want to select microphone from the left-hand side panel. Now you will find the option of allow apps to access your microphone. Make sure that you have toggled this option on and Valorant is allowed to use the microphone. If Valorant is not allowed, you simply want to toggle it on as well. After that is done, the next thing you want to do is check for Windows Update. You want to ensure that your operating system is up to date. For this, click on Update and Security and then click on Windows Update. There you can check for updates. You also want to try reinstalling the Valorant. If all else fails, you want to contact the customer support. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.